Hi guys, and welcome back to the bakery, and today we're going to be making a salted caramel tiffin. Anyway, we'll get on with the video.
Perfect.
And for the recipe, what you need is 360 grams of digestive biscuits, 50 grams of cherries, 150 grams of butter, 225 grams of chocolate, and 45 grams of golden syrup. And also, you need some honeycomb. I always use chocolate covered honeycomb. Guys, don't forget, the recipe is in the description below. Also, it'll be on the screen for you as well. Right guys, the first job we're going to do is mix all the dry ingredients up in the machine bowl and pop the butter and chocolate into a microwave. All we're doing at this stage is just trimming it all down. Right, now I'm going to chuck this into the microwave. Should take around about 2 minutes. And all you're doing is melting the butter and chocolate together. Right guys, we're now ready for the next stage. And we'll just take this off the machine bowl. And this is how crumbed up it should be. It should look like that. So it's well crumbed up. And also once your stuff's been in the microwave, you want it just like that. It doesn't matter if it's not mixed in enough, it'd be fine. Right, now all we do now make a well in the middle and just pour it into the center. And all we're going to do now is just mix that round. Right, it should look like this. And now that's ready. Right guys, what you need now, this is a 30 centimeter by 40 centimeter tray. Now you want to put some paper on it. Make sure it's out of the side. And all we're going to do is put the mixture into this. Like this. And all we're going to do is spread it around so it covers the base. If you've made cheesecakes before, it's basically the same type of method. Onto the base. Like that. And get yourself a rolling pin if you've got one that fits the tray. I made this one. I cut one down. Just like that. And there we go. And all you do with this now is pop it into a fridge. And now for the salted caramel tiffin. Just got the base out of the fridge. Right, you want 300 grams of Cinder crunchy honeycomb. 300 grams of salted caramel. Now we're going to pop this into the microwave and warm it up. Now we're going to cover the base of this with caramel. And then you get your cinder bits and just chuck them on the top. Like that. And just spread them over. Like that. And we just pop this into the fridge. So we'll pop the chocolate into the microwave. And now we'll pop that into a fridge. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the description below, that's got your recipe. Do subscribe and do share. Anyway, see you again in the next video. Later!